Hey everyone, I'm Aprajita and I wish all my viewers a very happy new year. Today in this video, I wish to welcome you all to this new year with some colorful houseplants, which adds up some vibrancy and a beautiful contrast to the otherwise monotonous green background. Now I know flowers are the ones which add colors to our gardens, but this is also a fact that flowering plants require a lot of direct sunlight exposure and maintenance, and many of us don't have the privilege of access to such direct sunlight, especially the ones living in apartments. So I'd like to tell you about some names and their care tips about some of the beautiful foliaged plants having contrasting colors. Now ज़्यादातर इन प्लांट्स के लीव्स आइदर पूरे पिंक और पर्पल शेड के होते हैं, या फिर यू कैन फाइंड स्ट्राइप्स और स्मजेस और स्ट्रीक्स ऑफ पिंक्स एंड पर्पल ऑन देम. The basic care tip of all these plants require a well-drained soil and most importantly exposure to bright but indirect sunlight. This is a very important aspect of these plants because as you see along with chlorophyll, which is important for the photosynthesis of these plants, there's a pigment called anthocyanin which is also present in these colorful plants, and these pigments absorb green as well as yellow light of the spectrum and give red, pink or purple shades to them. So in order to bring out this pigment in these plants, we need to expose them to bright sunlight, but definitely not direct or very intense sunlight, as that would harm the leaves of these plants. Welcome to Green Thumb. Now the first plant which has this beautiful color is the category of Rex begonias. These type of begonias are found in various leaf shapes, colors, patterns in different varieties. As you can see, I have these two varieties. One is in silver color and having veins in green contrasting color. You can see they are lovely heart-shaped leaves with serrated margin. इन पर सिल्वर पर्पल के शेड्स होते हैं ज़्यादातर. और एक दूसरी वैरायटी और है मेरे पास which is called painted leaf begonia. It has a beautiful shape of heart and contrast colors. You can see red shade from underside of these leaves. These come in many more colors also. Now the second one, this is called Madagascar dragon tree. ये प्लांट बिलोंग करते हैं ड्रेसिना फैमिली को, इसलिए इन्हें ड्रेसिना मार्जिनाटा भी बोलते हैं. एंड दीज आर नोटेबल फॉर देयर लॉन्ग नैरो लीव्स एंड स्लेंडर वुडी स्टेम. एज यू कैन सी द लॉन्ग स्लेंडर लीव्स हैविंग मार्जिन्स ऑफ पिंक. ये बहुत बड़े भी होते हैं और नीचे से इनके लीव्स थोड़े ड्राई होते जाते हैं, बट इट लुक्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कैनोपी लाइक इफेक्ट व्हेन दे ग्रो अप. These are tolerant to neglect, so it could be a good option for busy parents. Now these beautiful plants are Chinese evergreen or aglaonema. These are very popular nowadays. It is a very easy care foliage houseplant. Their pink patterned foliage mixed with streaks of green and cream color with pink give them a stunning look. Don't you feel so? इनके ब्रॉड लीव्स देखिए कितने खूबसूरत हैं. इनके ऊपर ग्रीन, पिंक और डिफरेंट शेड्स आ रहे हैं. एंड द ग्लॉसी लुक ऑफ देयर लीव्स इज चेरी ऑन द टॉप. I have a complete video on their care tips, the link of which I'd be sharing with you all in the comment box. You can go through the video. These plants add a great vibrancy to your garden, so I would definitely suggest to bring these to your garden. जैसे जैसे इनके ये प्लांट की मैच्योरिटी होती जाती है, इनके लीफ शेड्स में चेंजेस आते जाते हैं. This is Calathea. These are usually found to be possessing delicate and showy leaf patterns, as you can see, and thus they come in wide range varieties and names. I have only this one with me now, and this is called Calathea roseopicta. It looks gorgeous with its fuchsia pink foliage and green margin. Now, arrowhead plant और pink syngonium ये भी मेरे पास है. This is considered as one of the best air purifying house plant. Its heart shaped foliage with pink green variegation gives it a very good look. They start growing upright initially, but eventually they start trailing down. So आप अपनी ज़रूरत के हिसाब से इसे या तो prune करें to give it a compact look, या फिर let them trail down to the baskets. इनकी नई पत्तियां जब आती हैं तब डार्क पिंक कलर के होते हैं. You can never go wrong with adding colors to your garden. These beautiful coleus. Don't you feel so? They are easy to grow and durable. An amazing fusion of bright pink, mint green and white splotches on their foliage. इन्हें भी सुबह की फुल सनलाइट या फिर ब्राइट लाइट की एक्सपोजर बहुत ज़रूरत है. बट हमेशा ध्यान रखें, नेवर एक्सपोज देम टू डायरेक्ट सनलाइट और ग्रेट हीट, बिकॉज देयर लीव्स आर वेरी डेलिकेट और वो बहुत जल्दी सूख कर ड्रूप हो जाते हैं. सो ऑलवेज कीप देम इन अ ब्राइट कॉर्नर बट अवे फ्रॉम द डायरेक्ट सनलाइट. दिस स्मॉल cute little Cryptanthus bromeliad or earth star. It is called so because of its beautiful long slender pink leaves that grow in star shape. आप देख सकते हैं इसके star shape look कितना खूबसूरत है, serrated margins के साथ long slender leaves, and these are flowering plants as well. दे अपने दूसरे ब्रोमेलियाड फैमिली के मेंबर से विपरीत ये सॉइल में ग्रो करते हैं कंपेयर टू द अदर ब्रोमेलियाड्स विच आर एपिफाइटिक इन नेचर. These look very cute on table tops. Now another popular one, the wandering Jews or Tradescentia zebrina. It is a popular climber plant, ideal for hanging baskets. इनके लीव्स पर क्रीम कलर के स्ट्राइप्स होते हैं और ब्यूटीफुल पर्पल अंडर साइड, और ये एक पर्पल हार्ट वैरायटी है. इट लुक्स स्टनिंग विथ इट्स डार्क पर्पल कलर लीव्स, और इनके क्लस्टर लीव्स के क्लस्टर्स के बीच में लाइट पर्पल कलर की के फ्लावर्स भी आते हैं इफ़ एक्सपोज टू ब्राइट लाइट सनलाइट. ये बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हैं. दे ट्रेल डाउन टू लॉन्ग. इन्हें आप पिंच करके फिर इन्हें प्रोपोगेट भी कर सकते हैं, और उसके साथ साथ आप उन्हें डेंस बनाने के लिए, कॉम्पैक्ट लुक देने के लिए उसी गमले में वापस लगा सकते हैं. This pink plant is my all-time favorite, the Stromanthe triostar, as it looks like an optical illusion. Don't you feel so? Stromanthe looks different from almost every angle. While the top of the green leaves showcase white variegation, the underneath will show an entirely different shade of red or burgundy color. Being native to rainforest, ये warm और humid environment में dwell करना पसंद करते हैं. I have made a video on the complete care tip of this plant. You can go through the video on the suggested link provided above. And this is all about the beautiful foliage plants, and I hope you like this video content. Please like, share and subscribe, and do put your suggestions in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video.